Hi everyone, Said It All Your Cars. We are back today with this 2012 Lexus GS450. It is the hybrid model. It's done 71,000 miles. It's got 11 Lexus services. It's finished in Starlight Black with the black interior. And it's quite possibly one of my favourite cars I've driven for a very long time. Big fan of this car, really rate it. It's a Premier model, which is the top of the range, and it's in very, very, very nice condition. It's got the xenon lights with the LED DRLs. It's also got auto main beam, right on the multi-spoke 18-inch alloys, which are all unmarked. It's got 4 brand new Kumo tyres. All the discs and pads have been changed very recently. The bodywork is excellent. The overall condition is excellent. It drives perfectly. And yeah, we are predominantly a German car specialist, but I really am impressed by this. Front and rear parking sensors, reverse camera, all the whistles and bells. Your reg number there for any checks that you wish to carry out. You're not going to find a better one of these on the market at the minute anyway. As I say, brand spanking new tyres, recent discs and pads. All very good. Comes with an MOT. We're not going to service it because it was only done about 1,000 miles ago by Lexus. So there's no need to service it, but it will come with our 3-month warranty and usual preparation. We'll show you inside. I'll begin with the boot. It's got the power tailgate. And we've got the genuine Lexus floor mats. And it is impeccably clean and tidy in here. The seats don't fold down, obviously. The hybrid batteries are there in the back, so yeah, no folding seats. And the GS, as you see, boot works perfectly. Everything works perfectly, of course it does, it's a Lexus. That driver's seat is all the way back, it goes into easy access, so don't judge the leg room on that. I'm 6'4", and even with me driving it, there is plenty of room in the back. It's got the semi-aniline leather, I do believe. It's perforated and heated. It's a 5-seat model with the rear heated seats. It's got rear climate as well, and all your audio controls for your rear seat passenger. All the rear blinds on the side windows and the rear window. Bags of adjustment on the seats. I think they're 18 way. They are the better seats. Some of these don't come with these seats. All unmarked. With memory in the front seats as well. Electric windows, power fold mirrors, etc. It's also got blind spot monitoring, which is that button just there. Immaculate 3-spoke steering wheel. Barely anywhere on that whatsoever. It's also got paddle shift and cruise control just there. Just start her up. So there you go, 71,822 miles. Hybrid system is ready to go, it's saying. It works perfectly. All very good. Got the big media center in the middle with your navigation, all your car setup and audio, climate, telephone, etc. It's got Bluetooth audio as well, just there. FM, AM and DAB. There you go. Fantastic Mark Levinson audio system. really rate the sound system. It's very, very, very good. Analog clock, which is lovely. Your dual climate control, your heated and your cooled seats. If you can see that, so that's heated, that's cooled. 3 settings on each. Cup holders in the centre, just there. Your piano black trim in the centre with your driver modes and EV mode. Oh, it goes into full electric. Well, there you go. I didn't know that. You can just have full electric vehicle mode. That's clever. Rear blind and parking sensors. USB auxiliary and the armrest. Big glove box with all your handbooks. Auto dipping interior mirror. And yeah, absolutely fantastic car. Fantastic. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Please do give us a like and subscribe. Catch you soon.